What you reap is what you sow. And to those who've been sowing rotten seeds and doing destruction, low key. Some of you been doing black magic on people, low key. Some of you been doing a lot of sending a lot of negativity to people. And the high vibrating ones, they've been doing a lot of return to senders. Oh, it's about to go down. It's about to go down. Definitely for the rest of this year. Like, it's about to be a domino effect for everybody. It's literally about to be a domino effect for everybody, man. For the rest of this year. Whatever you've been nurturing, whatever seeds you planted, you are getting back. Full-fledged. To my high vibrating Pisces. Or, because you don't even have to be a Pisces. You already know. If this is just resonating with you. And some of you, you're going to be in denial when you hear that. And be like, she's not talking to me. Yes, I am talking to you. If it's resonating in your spirit, you know you've been doing something foul. Because some of you are literally delusional. And in denial. So me saying that, you're going to be like, she's not talking to me. But it don't matter how you feel, what you say. You're never going to get over on God. Period. Know that. And I hope you can hear the seriousness in my voice, because this is not a game. It's really not. You out here playing, but God's not playing. And that's one thing about God. It gives the illusion that you're winning when you're doing dirty. What did Nene be saying? What did she say? I can't even think of the damn saying. I think it was like, you never win when you play dirty or something she said. But it's true. You get the illusion though that you're gonna be on top. You get the illusion that you're gonna win. You get the illusion that what you're doing is okay. You try to justify it in so many different ways, but no. When it's time for that karma to hit, there's no escaping. None. There's no rock you can hide under. There's no valley that's going to keep you safe. Nothing. Nothing. The universe knows your address. The universe got a tracker on you. Ain't gonna be no return to sender, my G. It's not. I'm sorry. I wasn't even trying to be stuck on it like that, but too many of you been playing. Too many of you. You've been playing with God. You've been playing with innocent people. You've been playing with good-hearted people. You've been playing with people's kids. You've been testing people. You've been nasty to people. You've been using people. Stabbing people in the back. Family, friends. It don't even matter to you. But oh yes. Oh yes. It's coming. It's coming, my G. So enjoy what you can enjoy. You feel me? Enjoy what you can enjoy. Because it's all about to come crashing down. Tower moment after tower moment. Heartbreak after heartbreak. Failure after failure. And it's just going to keep hitting you. Keep hitting you. Keep hitting you. Keep hitting you. Child.